Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after a very shaky mid-afternoon activity here where the price, made the move up, consolidated, went sideways here a little bit, and then broke down to the downside. At this point in time, actually, let's just do this so you can see kind of what the chart looked like at one point. At that point, things were looking pretty shaky. The price had just broken down through that consolidation area, but to give credit where credit's due, you can see the price behaved very nicely, recovered back to the upside. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here headed into Tuesday. First level of support to watch moving forward, and this is what I would definitely call the ideal level. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 31.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 31.50, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a bit bigger picture point of view, that is where the next level of support comes into play right here. That pink line, the 200 period moving average, which is valued at, let's just call it 3,100. I get it. Technically 3,104, but we'll just call it 3,100. And then taking an even bigger step back. So this definitely pertains to those people that care about, the big picture point of view. But that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50 period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the overall move, quote unquote, the move being defined as from these lows all the way up to where it is right now. So the easiest way to gauge and monitor the health of that movement is just to watch that purple line, meaning as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. As far as next potential areas of resistance are concerned, let me squeeze down the chart here to offer up a bit more perspective. But the next big area of resistance to watch going forward, and a lot of people are going to be watching it for sure, is right up here at 31.90. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see 31.90, rejected the price, rejected the price, rejected the price. So not saying it can't be broken, but just saying there's going to be a lot of eyeballs watching that level. So keep a close eye on that level, and we'll see if the price can get up there and push up through it. But all in all, very nice way to start the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.